guys, so in this video we're just going to be going down to Loamed, going for a couple rides, some trails and enduro tracks, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy this. See you in a sec.
Where are we now? A lot of marsh. Have a look up here, boys. Oh, bam. Oh! Wonder where we're going now. Whoa! Shiver me. That was a hard hit. Go up here. Make sure everything's alright. Oh, this looks nice. Well, I thought we were just here. Woo! Let's go this. Woo! I think this is a pretty hard hill. Never mind, I was thinking about a different hill. Guys, let me know if you like this type of video. Suggest anything else that you want us to start doing. I've already been down this one. Last time we were here. Oh, very rocky. Oh, shoot. Oh, I don't like downhills that much. You gotta do what you gotta do. This is so beautiful down here, guys. Woo! Whoops! Some pretty big whoops. Cool whoop kind of things. The rut got me. Where to go now? I want to find some hard stuff. Oh, what's down here? This looks, might be a bit steep. Oh, it's not too bad. Right now we're just seeing what side of the creek we're on, trying to figure that out. Might just come back from where we came. Might go try to find the single track. Stick caught in there. Not want to fall under that fence. Barbed wire.
Alright guys, so I made it home. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and share. And yeah, ride safe guys, see you in the next one. Peace.